Hey guys, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Today I'm going to show you this raised garden bed that we put up last fall. We didn't get a chance to plant in it last year, so I'm going to make a video of it now real quick. And just today I got some cucumbers, zucchini, squash, and a couple of tomatoes in there for early season. And what we did here with this is these are super cheap. You can get these blocks at Home Depot. They're just raised garden bed blocks. And so they have a pin that you drive down into the soil, and then you put your blocks on top of it, and then your timber can fit right in between. We chose to get two 2x6 pieces of lumber because they ended up cheaper than, say, if we got one 2x12. So that's why we went that route. These are just over 4 feet wide, about 5 feet, and 10 feet long. And then on the sides here to hold them in, we use these stakes that we ran into the ground to keep them from bowing at all. And then in the future, this can be used as a trellis if we want it to, for various plants. Say maybe we put like peas around here or something like that. So like I said, today we just got in some cucumbers, zucchini, squash. For the soil, we just have normal soil in the bottom, and then I put like an inch or two of compost up on the top from our compost pile. Then we got a couple of hybrid tomatoes. These are big boy tomatoes. I've had great luck with them in the past, so I figured might as well pick them up again. They're maybe, I think they're on sale for $2.50 at Walmart today. And the rest of this, we plan on getting corn, some beans, peas, squash, peppers, maybe some cherry tomatoes, and who knows, whatever else we might want to put in the garden that we see at the stores. He loves playing in the dirt. He's got a little sandbox and he plays in the dirt just like it's sand. Right, dude? Right, Sterling? Yeah? So, yeah, definitely go to Home Depot if you want a quick and easy solution for this. Otherwise, if you don't want to do it that way, I would recommend getting 2x12 boards and then simply just joining them and the edges with screws, or if you even would want to get like door hinges and put them on the inside, you can get door hinges and those work great as well. I forgot to mention, on the outside of the garden bed we have wood chips all around to kind of slow down the progression of plants around it, and eventually as we add more and more, that'll stop growing weeds as it gets thick enough. So another tip for you guys, you've probably seen some raised garden beds where they have several of them in their backyard, and they'll just have nothing but wood chips around them, so weeds aren't allowed to grow. Certainly, you gonna weed for us? Yeah, as long as he doesn't pull out our plants that we put in. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Again, these are at Home Depot, same with the boards. And then make sure you use a support in the center to stop it from bowing. We're going to get a couple of videos today on what's growing around the garden. Show a little progress there. So thank you all so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure.